your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Welcome back here to East Texas Live, and here's a live view from atop the Plaza Tower looking off to the north towards Lindale, and it shows lots of blue skies out there, but the heat is on. And looking here at some of those temperatures, 86 degrees right now in the city of Tyler. Those winds about 7 miles an hour, that dew point at 73. Lots of humidity still out there with us. And as we take a look at that satellite and radar picture, high pressure in control of our weather across most of the Lone Star State, so that's why we're seeing pretty much a cloud-free sky across most of the Texas area this morning, and into this afternoon we're going to continue to see that as temperatures continue to rise. Right now they're getting into those 90s in some portions of the state, and that includes right here into East Texas. Some of us are already touching the 90-degree mark, and we're going to continue to see those temperatures climb even more as we go into our afternoon. So here is a look at those high temperatures. Some of us may even push 100 degrees today, and today's likely not even going to be the hottest day of the next sequence of days over the next few days or so towards Thursday. And then here's a look at those heat index values as we go through this afternoon, and it shows getting up there into that heat advisory territory, which is exactly why the National Weather Service has gone ahead and put out another heat advisory through the day today. And these are likely going to continue on Wednesday and into Thursday, because that's whenever we expect our peak temperatures here for the next 7 days. And here's a look at those lows tonight into Wednesday morning, showing those lows in the 70s, and then tomorrow 100 degrees. Certainly a possibility here across East Texas. So it's going to be a hot one out there, and those heat index values, we could be talking about maybe up to 110 degrees in some spots. So it's going to be a hot one, not just today, not just tomorrow, also on Thursday. And then we start to get some of those rain chances, and what that does is it finally helps us cool those temperatures down into the lower 90s. So yeah, we're going to get excited about lower 90s, even though it's still going to be hot, not as hot as what we're going to see the next few days. So Futurecast does show some scattered showers and storms, maybe a couple of isolated instances Thursday, especially Friday. That's when we see the bulk of the activity, and then we'll continue to see some of those chances as we go through the day on Saturday, with just some scattered showers and storms expected, with chances starting to decrease as we go into our day on Sunday. So here's a look at rainfall totals, and mostly around a ½ an inch from along and to the south of the Interstate 20 corridor. That's where we have those best chances for seeing some appreciable rainfall out there. And as far as anything in the tropics goes, just a few clouds, a couple of thunderstorms over the Gulf right now. But as far as anything developing and moving our way, we are not seeing that for at least the next 7 days. So we are good as far as the tropics go. 98 degrees though this afternoon, mostly sunny. It's going to be hot out there. Winds will be light, and into tonight we'll see mostly clear skies. 76 is going to be that low temperature. Here is a look at your 7-day forecast, and it continues to show those temperatures nearing 100 for Wednesday and Thursday, and then we'll have scattered showers and storms beginning Friday, especially into Saturday. And then across deep East Texas, similar stuff. We're going to have those hot temperatures the next several days, and then we'll see those temperatures into the lower 90s with rain chances as we go into this weekend. And for more on that forecast, you can visit us over at KETK.com.